This is a quick follow-up video for my Nortiv8 hiking boots review after posting the video a few weeks ago when I went backpacking with them for 5 days. This time I'm here in the snow and I wanted to see how they do then, and I have to say they didn't disappoint, just like they didn't back on my backpacking trip when I went through rivers, mud and all sorts of things. If you haven't checked out that review, I'll link it down below in the description and at the end of the video for sure. But to come back to today, I'm here in Germany. I've just filmed in the snowstorm for a couple of hours and I was wearing these hiking boots without a problem. I still have warm feet and I still have dry feet, so that's good. This is super wet snow here today, maybe 3 inches or so, and I never had a problem with them. I was standing around for maybe an hour or so just filming, and I still have warm feet even though I just have some light wool socks on. And so if you get caught with these hiking boots while backpacking with a little bit of snow or so, it's really no big deal. They can handle it. If you get several feet of snow, maybe not so much because they are too short, but for just a quick snow shower like you see here, they are just fine, and you'll be warm and toasty and safe when you walk. So yeah, this is Andrea with Adventures and Dreams, and I hope you enjoyed this super quick follow-up. If you're still considering buying these boots and you're not quite sure yet, you can check out my other video, and you can check out these hiking boots with the links that I have down below in the description and in the comments as well. Take care, my friends, and I'll see you in the next one.